What's up, guys? How you guys doing? So in this video I just wanted to jump out here and I just wanted to say a message for everybody that's really starting to trade, or wants to know how to trade, or wants to get in the journey of being a day trader. And I wanted to make this video more about the people that are wanting to start out with, but they're kind of stuck in either where to start or what platforms to use, what broker to use, more importantly, and all of those questions. And I just want to say that, man, just get it over with, bro. To be honest, I started off day trading off of YouTube, bro. I started off day trading off of YouTube. I started day trading by watching YouTube videos about how to use TradingView, how to read the charts, how to choose the right broker, how to deposit funds into your broker. Because at the time I didn't even know how to deposit actual funds to a certain broker. I didn't know that. I was so new that I didn't know that you have to open up a cryptocurrency app where you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any type of cryptocurrency, and then you deposit those funds into the broker. I didn't know where to start, and I was a beginner. I was a beginner like everybody else. And the reason why I'm explaining this, the reason why I'm telling this story is because that didn't make me give up. That didn't stop me from willing to learn. It took me a lot of time, especially in the beginning. It took me a lot of time, a lot of hours out of my own schedule to actually start out depositing real funds into a real trading account and depositing. I think I deposited the first time I deposited around $200. Man, I ended up blowing those $200 in 2 days, man. I'm not gonna lie. And then I deposited another $500, and then I took them to $800, and then boom, I blew them again. But that's the reality of being a trader. And the reason why I'm saying this is because a lot of people just want to start something, they want to do something, but they don't actually put the time and effort to actually learn it. And when people give it to them right in front of their faces, all these people are making content, are making YouTube videos, are making vlogs, Instagram posts, reels, TikToks, or anything related to trading, and all of the information is out there. They just have to put it together, and they just can't even do that, bro. Come on, man. Come on now. I think that's crazy. Yeah. Yet a lot of people complain about why they cannot change their situation, or where they at, or where they're currently at in life, because they can't even put a single step of effort into changing the current situation of where they're living at right now. And I don't mean to say this in a bad way. I know a lot of people have a lot of difficulties, because a lot of people have, let's say, you could be somebody that has a family that you have to support. You might have a wife, you might have a full-time job where they require you to do a lot of overtime. But man, if you don't like your current reality, why are you not stepping out of your comfort zone just a little bit, just for you to change that? You get me? And yeah, basically the reason of this video is that if you are somebody that's willing to start day trading, but is stuck in just the beginning phase of where to start, what apps to use, what broker to use, how to deposit funds, and if you can figure out those simple steps, those simple beginner steps into this trading journey, do you think you got skin to be in this game? Because it's fucking hard, man. Trading is fucking hard. It is. And if you can even figure out how to deposit funds into a simple broker, or how to use trading, if you cannot use YouTube to figure out how to use TradingView, or if you can even know how to set a stop limit trade, or a buy stop limit trade, and do you really think you're gonna have skin in the game to be beaten by the markets when a lot of losing streaks comes your way, or when the market liquidates you, or when you lose a lot of funds, of real funds, of your hard-earned money in trading? Do you think it really has what it takes for you to be a day trader? Come on now. I'm not saying this to disappoint you or like to make you feel less. I'm just telling you, please step out of your comfort zone. Step out of your comfort zone and do something to change your situation if you don't like where you're at right now. Like, I remember when I was barely starting to trade 2 years ago. I remember I wanted it so bad. Like, I wanted to at least understand, to at least I never started trading to think that I was gonna make $1 million or 100,000 or 10,000 or even $1,000. At the beginning stage, I never thought of earning a single penny. I just wanted to know how everything worked and how I can place my first trade. That was my main goal in the beginning, how to place my first trade. Even if it's a loser trade or a winning trade, I don't care. I just wanted to know exactly how to put up the first trade and see if I lose or if I win, and how it works and how that's gonna reflect on the funds that I just deposited to this certain broker. I just wanted to see if it was legit. That's all I ever wanted. I just wanted to see if this was legit. And once I made my first withdrawal of real profits earned from a real trading account, and when I see them in my Coinbase app, because I have everything through Coinbase, like all of my funds are deposited through Coinbase. Once I saw that those profits were transferred into my cryptocurrency app, into my Coinbase account, and then I used those coins, I sold them, and then I put them into my bank account, and I realized that the money was real. That's when I realized that was it. That was it. Because now I finally found out that this skill set is legit, is real. Like, you can actually make money trading. You can. I've done it. I have a whole YouTube video about how I made $14,000 in a single week. I have it all documented on YouTube. It's right there. It's right there. You just have to watch it. You just have to put in the time and watch it. I explained to you everything. It's in Spanish. It is in Spanish because it was one of my first videos, and in the beginning it was kind of hard for me to speak on English because I wasn't feeling really confident. Even up to this day, I don't feel a lot of confidence of speaking English, but fuck it, I'm gonna do it. But yeah, once I realized that those funds were transferring to my bank account out of the profits that I've made of just placing trades on my phone, out of just placing trades off my phone, I realized that I could make something out of that. Like, come on now. Like, as many of you guys know, if you guys follow me, like, I cut hair. I am a barber. I own my own barbershop, yes, but I still wanted to make some extra cash, because just like everybody else, like, you have to have a second source of income. And what better thing to learn a better skill set that has made a lot of people a lot of money? Why if a lot of people put in the time to learn that skill, why can't I? Why can't I do it as well? So I did it. I put in the time, I put in the effort, I put in a lot of time in learning this skill. And now, like, I've been trading for 2 years now. 2 years. And I'm gonna say this confidently, I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop trading because I love it. So this is it for today's video. I hope you get the message. Yeah, if you're barely starting, just start day trading, put in the time and step out of your comfort zone, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye.